Hi gardeners, today we're doing some little lime hydrangea pruning. Little lime are fantastic panicle hydrangeas. They're a dwarf version of Limelight. They're easy to grow, they're great for the landscape. You can grow them in a container or you can grow a whole row of them. Little lime hydrangea plants don't strictly need to be pruned, but they're gonna look their best in the landscape if you do prune them. Prune them in late fall or early spring. So when they don't have leaves on them, when they're dormant, and when you can see the branch structure, that's when you want to do your main annual once a year pruning. It's the end of March, so some pruning now is going to stimulate new growth, which is really important for little lime hydrangeas because they bloom on new wood. So they're not going to bloom on this wood that has overwintered. They're going to bloom on the new spring growth. We're going to do a little bit of pruning just to make sure they have a fantastic show this summer. There's a lot going on here. Step one with little lime hydrangea pruning is to remove any branch that's dead, diseased, dying, otherwise damaged. Okay, so we're going to take those down right to the base, and that's going to start making a little bit of space here. There's still a lot going on, but at least most of the dead stuff is gone now. Step two is to remove any branches that are growing in the wrong direction. So branches that are crossing on other branches, or branches that are rubbing on other branches, or they're growing towards the middle of the bush. We want all of the branches to be going out, kind of like a starburst. I'm going to take them back right to the base of the plant just to allow for more air circulation once new growth starts. So make sure you've looked at it from a few different angles to make sure you've got all the branches that are growing in a funny direction. Step three is to reduce the overall height of the shrub. We want to reduce this by 1/3 of its total height. Most of the lime shrubs are about 3, maybe 4 or 5 feet tall. So the shrub is 3 feet high. You want to take off about 1 foot in terms of height off of all the branches. So that's going to get rid of these little guys here and allow space for new growth, because with little lime, the buds grow on new green growth. So this old growth that's been overwintered is not going to have any flower buds on it. We need to make room for new growth that's going to have those flower buds. Alright, now we've created a strong woody base where all the branches are growing outwards and not crossing or rubbing gnarly, otherwise just unhappy. All these branches look happy, growing outwards, and they're ready to create a permanent strong base for this shrub. Let me know if this video has been helpful by clicking the like button. That'll help me know to make more videos about hydrangeas. These little lime bushes are pruned and ready to go. There's one more there that needs some spring pruning. I'm gonna go prune this last one, and I'll see you in the next video.